Hello, and welcome to another drawing lesson. What should we draw?
A kangaroo wearing boxing shoes.
Kangaroo wearing boxing shoes. Does a kangaroo have a snout?
Yes.
So I'm going to say right about here, little, what's that called? A half circle? We're just kind of making this up. And then down. Okay, and then we're going to do a big line over there. And then we're going to do a big ear. Kangaroos have pretty big ears. So a big kind of, oh yeah, that's awesome. And then you know what? We're going to do one more ear on the back side. So one more ear, just like that. And we're going to do the bottom of its chin. So we're going to go like this.
It's actually a bunny.
You know what?
What?
Kangaroos are kind of like bunnies. They're like huge, gigantic bunnies. I bet if a bunny saw a kangaroo, it would say, oh man, that is the biggest bunny I've ever seen. And what a weird tail. Okay, big eye. Let's do a big eye.
And then can we do the...
Let's do the other eye on the other side. Watch this. Kind of bulging out. Okay, let's do a little circle in that eye, like that. And another little circle in that circle. And let's color the rest black. Yep. Let's do the same thing on the other eye. Oh yeah, that's a great idea. Oh, Zola, love that. 10 out of 10. Okay, see, let's do the eye here. So I'm going to do that, and then another little circle in there. And then color the extra part black. Now, let's do some eyelashes on both eyes. There we go. Okay, so now I like it. That's awesome. Right down here, we're going to do kind of down here. Let's do its leg. Right under its nose and a little bit over. We're going to start here. Yeah, there's our dot. And then we're going to go up and over.
Here, up.
And then on this side, over. Yep. And then we're going to do this one, and it's going to kind of come down a bit. Okay. And then at the bottom there, we're going to go right at the end. We're going to go up a bit and start right here. And we're going to go down. And over. Flat along the bottom. And we're going to make it kind of a little bit loopy.
Dad, do you know what you're doing right now?
Does it seem weird?
Yeah.
What do you think this is? Looks like a duck.
Yes.
Okay, so right at the end, we're going to loop it around right to about there. That's good.
Funny kangaroo.
Now we're going to do like right back here. See the end? We're going to come back a bit and go like this. And then we're going to go, see the end of that line right here? We're going to go back a bit to about here.
The middle?
Yep, and we're going to go right up to its ear. Watch this. Kind of out, and then right back in.
Oh yeah, now I'm starting to know what that is. It's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. Who would have thought? Now kangaroos kind of have little flappy little arms. Little bitty arms, kind of like the T-Rex.
Yeah, the T-Rex that we do.
So, from here, down.
From here?
Yep. And then, so this is going to be its elbow. And we're going to kind of come up. And then right at the end, they got little kind of claws. So like this. And then we're going to kind of go back to the elbow. And then see the end here? We're going to go not right at the end, but a little bit in, kind of go up, and then loop around. Awesome. And now watch this. From under his chin, kind of about there, we're gonna draw a line that goes here, under his arm, and then kind of back down to his leg. Okay, now we have to do the other arm. We're gonna draw his arm down.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna come back a little bit, straight out. Do his little claws at the end. And then back. What do we need? Boxing gloves?
Mm-hmm.
So let's do this. We're gonna do a square here. Kind of actually a rectangle.
That's a true.
And then watch this. We're gonna kind of come out. And then the thumb. And we're gonna do a little thing, a little line there. And now we're gonna do, see from this side, we're gonna do a big bubble. So all the way around, right to the thumb. Yep. Now let's do the other leg. You show me how to do the other leg.
Okay.
Okay.
So like another curve.
Another curve. Okay.
And straight.
Straight.
Then
Then a square. A rectangle.
yeah.
Okay. Yep. And then we'll do the thumb and then the big. Now you know what? Because these are kind of poofy boxing gloves. Right here on the inside, let's do a little line like this, and then a little line like that. Same with on the other one, right about there, up and over. Now,
Shiny.
now let's make a line like that on his back. So one little dot, and then one longer line, up to about there. Ooh, I got an idea.
What?
Sound effects. Let's write POW. P-O-W. There you go. And then an exclamation mark.
Pow.
And now we're gonna do like a jagged circle all around that. This is our sound effect. And and then the inside of the ear, draw a little line like this. Right there.
Oh.
And then we're gonna go like this. And then just like that. And now let's do little dots.
I'm gonna do mine inside the ear.
Cool. Now sign your name.
Mm-hmm.
Where? Bottom left. Yep. Like that. Okay, and high five. What do we call it?
Kangapow.
Kangapow. Kangapow. So thank you for joining us for this Kangapow drawing. You guys did great, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Ready?